Why are there not more people talking about Oman's breathtaking beauty? Let's uncover its hidden gems together. Nestled on the southeastern coast of the Arabian Peninsula, Oman is a land of stunning contrasts. From the golden dunes of the Wahiba Sands to the lush greenery of the Jebel Akhdar Mountains, every corner is a new adventure. Imagine strolling through the ancient streets of Nizwa, where history whispers through the towering forts and bustling souks, or diving into the crystal-clear waters of the Dey Maniat Islands, a diver's paradise brimming with vibrant marine life and coral reefs. Don't miss the mesmerizing Wahiba Sands, where you can lose yourself in the vast expanse of rolling desert dunes. And for a touch of tranquility, the serene Wadi Shab offers turquoise pools and cascading waterfalls. Ready to explore? Visit countrydiscover.com for more travel inspiration and start planning your Oman adventure today. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share your thoughts with fellow travel enthusiasts. Let's make every journey unforgettable.